Hi class, it's Mr. Trez, and this video is going to be about using the formula for the Pythagorean Theorem to find the missing side length that is one of the legs. So let's take a look at our example. Here we have triangle ABC. We see that we have our hypotenuse. Again, the hypotenuse is the side directly across from the right angle. Our legs are side BC, which is 35 feet, and also side AB, which is x. So we're going to solve for x, one of the legs. And again, the legs are the two straight lines that form and create the right 90-degree angle. So we're going to use our three-check method. Check one, we're going to write the formula for the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. Check two, we are going to substitute. So a and b represent the side lengths that are the legs. So a squared, we're going to represent with the leg of x. So we're going to write x squared plus b squared, which is represented by the other leg of 35 feet. So it'll be 35 squared is equal to c squared, which is our hypotenuse, the longest side, the side opposite the right angle, which is 37 squared. We're now going to simplify. X squared, we're going to bring that down, plus 35 squared, and that is 35 times 35, which equals 1,225. And that's going to be equal to 37 squared, which is 37 times 37, which equals 1,369. Okay, now when we get to this step, we want to use our inverse operations in order to isolate the x squared. So in order to do that, we have to subtract 1,225 from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 1,225 from the left side of our equation, and what I do to one side I have to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 1,225 to the right side of the equation of the equal sign. So now this side cancels out, and we're left with x squared on the left side of the equal sign is equal to 1,369 minus 1,225, which equals 144. So now we don't want x squared, we just want the variable x. So now in order to do that, we have to find the square root of both sides. So we are going to take the square root of 144, and the square root of 144 is equal to 12. By taking the square root from both sides, we get x equal to 12. So now our last check is just to double check our answer for reasonableness. So remember, when we're trying to find the legs, these are the two shorter sides, so they have to be smaller than the hypotenuse. So looking at 12, it looks like a good, strong, reasonable answer. So our final check is x equals 12, and we want to label it with feet. So final answer, x equals 12 feet. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and thank you for watching this video.